Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we find a word or a paragraph or entire sentence in Microsoft Word. So for that, we have to have an article or a Word document. For example, I'm having here this health and nutrition article. So to find a word, I'll click on home, and here in this editing group, you have to click on this find, or you can click on this option and you can use advanced find. I'll click on find, and now you have to search here for the word that you have to search. Okay, you have to find. So I'll search for food and then press enter. Now you have results 1 of 7. So this the one which is selected now is the first result of 7 result. So total result of food in this one page article is 7. Okay, so this way guys, you can find a word or a sentence in Microsoft Word. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.